That's my adaptation for Come Together by the Beatles. I'm tuned to G, D, G. The song itself, that's all the main riffs for playing rhythm to the entire song. Has a couple solos and stuff. I'll explain the arrangement in a minute. But we'll start off with the first lick there, which is 0-0 on the D string, middle string, hammer to 7, 5 to 7, 5 on the high, back to 7. That riff is played in between almost everything throughout the entire song. Now, it's an octave higher. It's actually the bass doing that, but no point in just sitting there. Might as well play that. We can get one of these lovely little devices. This is, there we go. This is a Donner harmonizer, and it acts as an octave lower if you want. You can even go 2 octaves lower if you want. Anyway, you get the idea. If you really need to play that lower. You also can play this differently and tune your guitar down, but I was requested to do it in G tuning so that the person could play along with the record. So that's what this is. Anyway, that's the main lick. Then for the verses, it goes into a boogie groove. So that's all open string, middle, and then 2 and 4. So 2 2s, 2 4s. And does it again. Does it again. One more time. Variation here though. Like that. And it actually does kind of do that, but if you just go, that's fine too. And then we switch over here to the 2nd fret on the low and the middle strings, and we add the 4th fret on the middle string. Now this one does have a variation, so it's, and then that measures, and that's just before the stop, which is a G chord, by the way. Then it goes through all the mumble jumbo, and then it goes to the chorus. So that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Then you're back to the lick. Now the entire arrangement is actually, I'll write it out for you. It's the riff followed by the verse, goes back to the riff, goes to the verse, goes to the chorus, goes back to the riff, goes to a verse, goes to the chorus, back to the riff, and then it does a verse with a piano solo. But for playing rhythm, it's still, but it doesn't do the, it doesn't do that. It goes right back to the riff. That's after the piano solo, solos over the verse, goes back to the riff. And the riff is a bit of a jam. It isn't really the same riff. It's got that, is more of a bass thing in there. You can leave it blank or just fill it in whatever way you like. There, it's a little vague, not a specific riff for the guitar. And then back into a verse, and back into the chorus, and back into the riff. And then, after you play the riff that time, it goes back to a verse, and it's like now the guitar solo, but it just stays on this. That's the entire rest of the song, just carries out with that. So those are the main parts to Come Together by the Beatles. You should be able to play through the entire thing with just those parts. Have a great day. Bye.